What's good, y'all? You back with Streets, freestyle cooking with Streets. Thanks for tuning in. Like always, I hope everybody out there is staying safe and healthy. And of course, you know what this is, y'all. Got another great recipe video to share with y'all. Look, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you coming through, man. Joining us on all these great recipes. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest recipe videos, y'all. We get it down here, man. Freestyle cooking, man. Let's do it. So today we're doing a real easy recipe. I got me some Petite Sirloin steaks right here. Got them on sale at my market, looking beautiful. Got them tied up with some twine to hold their shape. I'm also going to do some steamed veggies. So I got me some cabbage. Got me the sweet baby cabbage. Cooks fast from Trader Joe's, but any cabbage you could get. Also got me some potatoes, some carrots, some bell pepper, some onion. And we're going to do a steamed veggie, our sirloin steaks, and make a dope dinner. Alright, let's do it. So the first thing I want to do is we're going to go ahead and season up our steaks, okay? Got me some kosher salt. Alright. Some black pepper. And also some smoked garlic powder, or regular garlic powder. We can get some smoked garlic powder. Okay, do both sides. Now once you got your steak seasoned up on all sides, okay, we're gonna set that to the side. Let those spices, soak up in there for a few minutes. Next, I'm gonna start cutting up our vegetables, okay? So go ahead and chop them up, and you pretty much can chop your veggies any kind of way you want. I mean, as long as they all like equal size. I'm gonna try to cut me out some strips here, like so. Boom, carrots is done. Moved them to the side. Got me some nice strips. Next, I got my bell peppers. As you can see, I done already took the insides out. I'm gonna do the same thing. Cut those in strips. Alright, like that. You want to do the other one the same. Peppers are done. Put those to the side. Okay, now I got about a half of a large white onion. Probably not going to need all of this. But just cut enough. If you like onions, you can do the whole thing. I'm going to just probably do half of this. Okay, onions is done. And I'm going to leave the skin on. You can take the skin off if you want. And you just want to cut them into like nice size pieces, equal size. That's all. Like that. Okay, nice size pieces like that. Once your potatoes is cut up, put them in some water so that they don't change color. Set them to the side. Alright, then next we're going to go ahead and cut up the cabbage. Alright, got it out the package. Once the got the stalk out, you can kind of roughly chop it any kind of way you like. So I'm going to just roughly chop it like so, on like a slight angle. Like that. That's what you want. Okay, here we go. I'm also going to do the other half same way. Man, if you can find these baby cabbage, this is definitely a lot of cabbage for these little small ones, and you can microwave it too. I mean, it's ready to go. Alright. Alright, now you want to break out your pan. What we're going to do is get the pan hot. tablespoons of oil. Alright, we're just going to toss in all our veggies. Alright, we're going to saute these up. Nice piece in there. We're going to saute these up, you know, just until like the onions start to get a little bit soft. And just get like a little quick start on them, okay? I would say maybe about, we got it on, I got like a medium high. I'm going to saute it for about 5 minutes. Smelling so good. Okay. After I got them sauteed, after 5 minutes, looking real good, smelling good. I'm going to go ahead next and get your pot ready. You know, I got my pot with my steamer basket in it. Okay. If you don't have one of these with steamer basket in it, just, you know, your regular pot, just want to put a little bit of water in that because the cabbage will create its own water and top, and you can steam it that way. I want to go ahead and add cabbage. And potatoes. Keep in mind, I didn't already have mine going. You could have this going like on the stove where the water's in it and the steam is already going, but it still doesn't take long anyway. Now I'm gonna start adding my seasoning. I'm gonna add some salt. Alright, let's be like 2 or 3 teaspoons. Next, I got me some cracked black pepper. Maybe just a teaspoon because cracked black pepper is strong. So I already got the peppercorns, it's already cracked. Nice. Next, some garlic powder. Alright, maybe about a tablespoon. Also got me some vegetable seasoning. This is optional, but I like the seasoning. I always add it to everything. Alright, this is optional though. If you don't have this, it's cool. A little bit of seasoning salt, about a 1/4 teaspoon. Next, I'm gonna add a couple teaspoons of sugar. Next, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Alright, and go ahead and mix this all together. So you can get the seasons all over the cabbage and the potatoes. Okay, and now you want to go ahead, turn this on the high, get the steam going, and you want to steam it for about 20 minutes, okay? Halfway through the process, we'll add our veggies. Alright, now it's time for the steaks. As you can see, you want to break out your cast iron or stainless steel skillet, get it real hot. Oh yeah, you can see as soon as I hit the oil in there, it's hot. A couple tablespoons of oil. What we want when it's hot and smoke coming off. Get the steaks in. Oh yeah, there we go. That's how you want it. You want that smoke, you want it real hot. You get a good sear. You want to preheat your oven too at 375 because we're going to finish this off in the oven. Do a little pan gravy. But you want to do this about 3 minutes. 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay? You want to try, I wanted to get it around that temp of like 135, 137 is where I like it, but the 135 is good. There we go, did my first flip. Boom, there we go, y'all. Looking real good. Now I want to throw these in the oven, maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. Like I said, use a meat thermometer if you have one. I want to get it to that 137, 135 area. Alright? Alright, now with the same pan, we're going to do a little sauce. Okay, I done chopped up some shallots. We're going to saute in there. Okay. saute these for a couple of minutes. And all this on the bottom we're going to get off. The fines on the bottom of the pan and get us that little bit of flavor to our pan sauce. Okay. Alright, now I want to add about a half a cup of red wine. Oh yeah, which is going to help us to glaze the bottom of the pan and get all that fine off the bottom. As you can see, starting to take it off. Helps you clean the bottom of your pan also. Next, I'm going to add in a half cup of beef broth. Alright, we want to bring it to a boil. We want to reduce it to about half. Okay? Alright, y'all. Now that we got it about half, okay, we're going to turn it off and start adding some butter. Also, you should have took your steak out by now. Okay? And have it resting like I do. Alright, now we're going to turn it off. Alright, as you can see, we got it reduced a lot. And we're going to start tossing in some butter. Alright, to emulsify. Once you fully got the butter incorporated, and you see your sauce coming together, now you can season it. Although it has a seasoning from the steak, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of seasoning salt. That's all I want. Just a little bit. And a little bit of garlic powder. That's it. Otherwise, it's good to go. All that's left to do now is just to strain it. And our cabbage should be ready. We're almost there, y'all. Alright, y'all, so now I'm gonna go ahead and strain my sauce. Yeah. And push everything through. Just that simple. Nice sauce ready to go. Alright, now got my steak. It's been resting for a few minutes. Let's go ahead and slice it open to see what we got going. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Just what I was shooting for. Oh yeah, nice, perfect. You know what I mean? Let's go, y'all. Alright. I'm gonna finish cutting this up. Get it on the plate. Let's do it. Boom. And there we go, y'all. Plate it on up. Add little garnish, little scallions on top. Got my sauce. Steak's perfect. Cabbage smelling good, man. Real simple dinner, man. You already know, man. So try it out, man. And look, please subscribe, like, share. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my latest videos, man. I try to keep coming at y'all with them, trying to bring them, man. Rock with me, stay with me. You feel me? Try these recipes out. Comment, let me know. Let me know if you want me to try something. And y'all know what it is, man. Holla.